Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will be going over the chair pose. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. The chair pose is a standing asana that brings all parts of your body together for strength and balance. The chair pose strengthens and tones the muscles in your arms and legs. It can also strengthen your hip flexors, ankles, calves, and back muscles. This pose stretches the chest and shoulders and can also reduce symptoms of flat feet. Chair pose can also stimulate the heart, diaphragm, and abdominal organs. So if you're looking for a yoga pose that can benefit your whole body, this is the video for you. So let's begin. You will start in mountain pose. Inhale, then bend your knees so that your thighs are parallel to the floor. Your knees should be directly over your feet. Then lean your torso slightly forward to form a right angle with the tops of your thighs. Keep your inner thighs parallel to each other. Exhale and raise your arms overhead so that your biceps are just slightly in front of your ears. Keeping the arms parallel, strengthen your shoulder blades against your back. Now we are going to hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, straighten your knees with an inhalation, lifting strongly through your arms. Then exhale and release your arms to your sides into mountain pose. And that is how you do the chair pose.